How to fix the login problem on ChatGPT. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, visit your Google Play Store, tap on the ChatGPT, make sure it is installed and updated to the latest version. So if it is already done, then you can simply go to the setting option, tap for the ChatGPT option from the app section, and when you go there, you will see all this thing of app permissions right here. Tap on the very storage option, make sure you clear all the data and clear all the cache from here. Force stop it for a while and then go to the battery option, make sure it is on the optimized option and not restricted. Go to the language option and select a language from here. You can select your English language or anything that you want to use, and you can simply tap on remove permission if app is unused. You can enable or disable it, and you can go to the permission and give all the permission and all of the notifications. Now when you do that, go back and again go to the Google Play Store, uninstall and reinstall your ChatGPT again, and again log into your ChatGPT account from your Google account, and then you can simply power off your device, and when you power it again, then your problem should be solved by now. You can have no login problem if this happens, and you can simply and smoothly use your ChatGPT. So that's how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.